So let's start by looking at the Curio filleting platform. We call it a platform, not a filleting machine, because actually the machine can be easily changed in order to cope better with different size categories of fish. This is important because a lot of producers, they have a set of filleting machines for each different size of fish between seasonalities. And by doing it like this, Curio has found a way to save space and reduce the time of changeover a lot. The machine is a typical saddle machine where the operator puts the fish firmly on a saddle. Then the saddle brings the machine in a steady rhythm, and the fish is filleted in 3 to 7 steps depending on the size. Curio also offers deheading machines for whitefish as well as Skinner, and new developments are on the way. So I think the logical continuance would be to look at the Streamline. Streamline is a simplified version of the flow lines that Marel has been making for a long time. This line was originally designed for poultry, and it shows the strength of Marel being in every industry of the protein, that we can easily adapt machines from different industries into the fish industry. The Streamline functions in a way that it brings batches of product to the operator, where the operator is doing the work, and we can measure the yield, throughput, and add a random quality inspection at the end of the line. It has been shown that the use of individual monitoring in flow lines, and in this case the Streamline, improves the throughput of each worker by up to 3 times depending on the system that they previously had, and improves yield significantly. Streamline is a simple built machine, easy to clean, and very good value for money. The compact grader is a compact machine for grading whole fish or fillets. The fillets are going over a dynamic weighing unit at the beginning of the machine. The weight is taken and then distributed immediately to one of the gates according to the settings that have been put into the machine. The compact grader is very good for entry-level products, for new markets, or when producers are starting a new production line and they are not sure about the volume. So this is a very nice way to put in a simple grading solution. Doesn't take a long time to install, and it's very easy to use. It is also connectable completely to Innova in order to collect all the production information available. If we now take a look at the target butcher. Packing into fixed weight packaging can be very challenging for humans to do manually. For example, find 4 fillets to have a good combination of 1 kilo pack. When done manually, this is a time-consuming job, and it always leads to quite a lot of giveaway in the packs. So the 1 kilo becomes 1.1, even 1.2. This machine, the target butcher, is a static weighing platform where we put the fillets into the machine. The machine finds the right combination of fillets very quickly and then puts those fillets together to make one batch, which is then delivered to the packing station. The machine operates at a much faster pace than the human could ever do, or up to 80 products per minute, improving throughput in the factory at least 4 times over for every person, and reducing the number of the giveaway significantly. So now let's take a look at the FlexiCut automatic pin bone removal and portioner. The FlexiCut is a unique machine. It is using high density X-ray machine to look at the fillets, making an image and calculating exactly how to cut out the pin bones of the fish fillet and how to portion the fillets into both fixed weight portions and also in a way to optimize the value of each fillet. Followed by the X-ray, the fillets go into a water jet set where we can cut the long cuts and take out the pin bones. The yield improvement from manual cutting is significant, plus that the machine does not get sick. The end of the machine has a dual knife set then called the twin blade, which is then used to portion the fish into different portion sizes independently on the left side and the right side, meaning that the loin and the belly portions can be of different sizes to optimize the value of the fillet. Now let's take a look at the new RoboButcher for fresh loins and fillets. The RoboButcher is a genius invention which is actually a combination of a batching machine and a pick-and-place robot. This makes the Marel RoboButcher unique when it comes to robotics for packing, because it does not only take out the manual labor, but it also helps minimizing the giveaway into the packs. Every piece is weighed before going into the robot, and then the machine is calculating into which box this particular product fits best in order to lower the giveaway. And following that, the boxes can be automatically stacked onto a pallet via robots. So basically, from the entrance of the RoboButcher till the pallet, there is no need for a person working on the line.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Salmon part of our virtual booth. My name is Magnus Fossheim and I'm the business manager for Salmon, and it is truly my pleasure to take you through the available equipment. I will start in the slicer range, and the first unit I would like to present is the iSlice 135, which is a multi-angle slicer that produces slices of fixed weight or fixed length and thickness with extreme accuracy. So the fillets are weighed and scanned before slicing to calculate how to achieve the best possible utilization, which I think we all can recognize is highly, highly important. Then we are also connecting this with a dynamic packing line that you saw there just before. And by putting this in place after the slicer, you have a very efficient setup for retail packs. So the pace is synchronized with the slicer, making it really easy to grab and pack batches of slices with the correct weight. All in all, a really suitable product for a flexible market for both HoReCa and retail industry. Then we have the iCut 130 portion cutter, and I think it's fair to say that Marel is really well known for the high quality and high accuracy portion cutters around the world. This unit features the latest innovative cutting patterns and really allows you to deliver custom-made portions directly to order. We are also combining it with the OptiSort solution, which allows you to actually sort the portion in various options depending on the portion size. So this way you actually have you're gaining a lot by having a very high accuracy with a minimal giveaway, and then at the same time having automatic sorting at the end of this particular line will allow you to really reduce the workload as well. Then we have the multi-angle slicer MSC 90. So this is more a unit that is suitable for small and medium-sized producers, but really with a high degree of variance, because this unit has a really wide slicing angle, actually from 80 to 70 degrees, and this will suit a lot of different products. So the product range is really from pre-sliced fillets and loins of salmon, for example, and decut as well, but also going into products such as sushi and sashimi variants. So generally, a really flexible unit, and as always, we focus on a hygienic and easy to clean design, and also it has a really safe and easy touchscreen operation. Then I would like to talk a bit about the iSlice 3300. So this is a unit that is really focusing on high quality retail packs of smoked salmon with the highest possible accuracy on weight and count. So what this unit does is the slicer weighs and scan the fillets before slicing to achieve the best utilization. Then it can sort out the head and tail pieces and collect them beneath the conveyor. And also it is highly productive because of how accurate it produces each batch. So its nominal capacity is 90 kilo an hour, depending on the fillet size and end product. And its modular design means you can actually install up to 4 slicers in one line. So really, it's an automatic high-speed system where you get an excellent presentation of the product, and it is useful for, and it is applied for fresh sliced salmon, trout, and similar species in retail units. And then we have here a different product, because now we will move to the M360 wrap around labeler. And this unit employs the latest technology in flexible linerless labeling. So it can handle all popular tray sizes and is ideally suited for skin packs. So this is fully automatic, it's high speed, and what you're gaining here is really the potential to have a wide range of labeling needs that is being solved, and also allows you to quite easily change between labels, which, you know, in these times could be relevant, could be really relevant. And also we are using environmentally friendly linerless labels. It's easy to use, and regarding this speed I mentioned, we can do labels up to 100 packs per minute. And of course, as always, and I'm sure all the followers will recognize this, that you are getting high quality presentation, and this is of course extremely important. And there we have another nice view of the booth that will allow us to move more into the direction over here, where we have a deheading and filleting solution in combination. So basically here we are combining our new manual deheading system with the rotating buffer you are seeing there, and a direct transfer, which we call the pacing feeder, with automatic infeed for the filleting machine, which is the MS2730, that fillets and trims in one step. So what takes place is that after the deheading, the fish slides into the pacing feeder for a smooth and accurate infeed of fish at a fixed pace, and this way ensuring the best possible conditions for quality filleting and trimming, up to 25 fish per minute. So what you're really gaining here is improved capacity and performance of the deheading part, and at the same time you are improving the yield with an automatic size adjustment and trimming, and you are also reducing the amount of workload for filleting and trimming. The next unit I would like to talk about is our QC scanner, and you could call this digitalized quality control, because the QC scanner improves the real-time monitoring of quality control in the filleting and, for example, skinning processes, to minimize the handling and optimize raw material utilization. So a complex camera system allows you to detect color, defects, and weight, and compare them to certain quality parameters. This allows you to have a real-time monitoring of the quality control and the yield. It can be connected to a wide range of units afterwards or before. And also you can backtrack this information down through the supply chain. So you can actually optimize this all the way to the farms. So there's a lot of potential there. Then we have the pin bone remover MS2612. And basically, this is a very efficient pin bone remover for minimizing production time and labor costs while ensuring maximum yield. It features a gentle and reliable pin boning, and I think we all recognize the importance of that. It can be combined with 1 to 6 lanes, so really a wide range of capacity, and it's really easy to use through our touchscreen systems, and the various programs are stored depending on different fish conditions. Also, it is possible to have an integrated solution together with trimming lines. So I would say there are a lot of opportunities and high degree of usability. Then I would like to turn the attention to salmon skinning, because here we have the Maya skinning machine ESP 4434, and Maya was acquired by Marel in 2018, and this goes well with our strategy of becoming a full line supplier, as mentioned by Gudbjörg. And the Maya skinning machine is designed for automatic, safe, and of course yield-oriented skinning of fresh and smoked salmon fillets. And it basically uses a patented deep skinning system with a special tooth roller, so only parts of the brown fat layer are removed together with the skin. It also has automatic cut control, and basically you don't need to have any manual reworking, which reduces the labor cost. So with that said, this was a little bit about the equipment we have at this booth. Of course, we have a full product range. I really emphasize to get in contact with us, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much.